World Book Day is an annual celebration of books, reading, and the power of storytelling, observed in over 100 countries worldwide. Established by UNESCO in 1995, it takes place on April 23 in most countries, though the UK and Ireland celebrate it on the first Thursday of March. The day aims to encourage reading, especially among children, and promote access to books for all. Schools, libraries, and bookstores often host book-themed events, author readings, and costume parades where children dress as their favorite literary characters. Many organizations also distribute free or discounted books to inspire a love of reading. World Book Day is a reminder that books have the power to educate, entertain, and bring people together, making literature an essential part of global culture.